Where's Stuart?
Out.
Who are you?
I'm Dale. He left me in charge.
Really?
Yeah, I don't get it either.
I want to return this Wild West and Witches expansion pack.
Sorry, I don't do returns. They're hard.
Sure. When will Stuart be back?
I don't know. He went out for coffee. With a girl.
No, I guess I was wrong.
You okay?
Am I okay? Leonard, I'm on a lifelong trajectory that includes a Nobel Prize and cities named after me. All four fit comfortably in my mouth without need of extraction, and my bowel movements run like a German train schedule. Am I okay?
I'm okay too.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light.